Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to sign your own APK which is created by Sketchware. So let's start. When starting, first of all you have to download an application which is called Zip Signer. I will set the download link in the description below. So this is the Zip Signer. So first of all you have to open an application or create an application from Sketchware. For the moment I will create. You need the APK to sign. So for the moment I will make a project, an app called My Signer. So my app name will be My Signer. You can choose your any app. So this is the app, the project I will run for the final version. After running, you will get the final APK. To sign you need the APK file. So after you get the APK, you need the keystore. So this is the APK signer. So this will be located in the files. So the most important thing is you have to create your own key. For this you need a computer. So let's move to the computer after searching the APK file. So Sketchware, MySQL, and the last project was I created and bin, and this is the project. So I will copy and paste in internal storage, making a folder as new app. So a folder called new app. So I will paste here. So this is the app which I have to sign. So let's move to the PC and create the key store. Moving to the PC, you need to download a software from a website, which is this Keystore Explorer. I will set the downloading link in description so you can easily download it. After download, install it. After install, open it. After opening, you will get this dialog box. Close it, and you will need to create a new key store. Click it. Click create new key store. Choose the option JKS. Okay. And now go to this two keys plus and click OK. Click OK. Generate a key pair. So here you have to change some information. So here you have to apply 25 years. Click apply, and now the date is changed, and you have to set the informations. So here common name, as my application is My Signer, as my app name is My Signer, I will set as My Signer. And organization I will set as your organization, example organization, example company 1. And organization name company 1, location New York. Set your location, it's better. State name, put as your state name. I will set as sample. Country, for the moment I will set as America. So these are the information. Remind that you have to put your real information, as this is an example, so I put some random information. So press OK. Country code, sorry, you have to set the country code. For the moment I will set my country code. So here the country code is OK. Okay, the information and set. Click OK and enter. This is your sign key name. Enter password. For this I will set as password 1. confirm password, password 1. Okay, then a key is generated, so you have to export it. So click save and put the password as the password you set, password 1. You can choose your own password. Remember that you can't forget your password. If you forget your password, your signature will be lost. Okay, click OK and it will be open the file. For the moment I will put in the desktop and I will name as my signer keystore. It's better to recognize .jks. Remind you have to put the extension as jks. Save, and here is your keystore. So this is your certificate key store generated from your PC. So now let's move to the phone. Remind me, you have to copy this to your internal storage because you need this key to register in the app I will set you. After you create the key store, download the zip signer and open it and go to the option and create and choose my keys, and after going there and go to the other option and click register key store and select the key store which we created from the PC. Remind that you have to copy to your phone, so in this case I have copied into a folder called new app, and this is the sign, and you have to put the password. The password was password 1. Remember you have to remember the password because it's very useful, because if you forget the password you will lose the certificate even. So after putting the password, press OK, and after press OK you will see the key is registered here, and go back and select the mode and select my signer, the key store which we created from the PC, and choose the app, and choose the app which was I copied to a folder called new app. Let's see where is new app, and this is the app not signed. Choose, and the output will be new project 32 signed. So go to the button and sign the file. Put the password. The password word password 1. Okay. The file operation successfully signed. So now go to the files and see. So this is the signed file. So this app is the signed APK, so you can publish to the Play Store. So hope you like this video. If you have some issues of signing the app, please subscribe and please leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.